Ah! Stupid outline. Alright, you're up. And done. So what was more important than playing pinball? Voting for the TWIPYs, of course. What is up, everybody? I hope you all are doing well, and I am so excited for things that are going to come. One of the things is the 4th annual TWIPYs that is happening on March 27th, and I'm super duper excited about that. There is still time to cast your ballots. Ballots close. Acceptance of ballots. Voting ends on January 31st at midnight, so make sure you get your ballot in before voting closes. You can go to www.TWIPYs.com to make sure you cast your ballot and vote for your favorites in every single category. Shameful self-promoting. I know there are so many awesome award shows that are happening this year for pinball, and I'm super excited for all of them, but just wanted to make sure that you knew that voting is closing here soon for the TWIPYs. So make sure you go to TWIPYs.com, cast your ballot, and make sure your voice is heard. That sounded really weird. Make sure that you get your ballot in before January 31st at midnight, and look forward to seeing you all. I don't know if I'm going to be seeing you all, but I'm definitely going to be looking forward to watching the TWIPYs on March 27th. So thank you again to everyone at This Week in Pinball, everybody on the TWIPYs committee. I know I am super excited for it. I hope you're as excited as I am. See you later. Bye.